Hey, you got Mikey McBryan's cell. Leave me a message. I'll give you a call right back.
Key, Spaghetti Don here. I'm on my way to Indiana, 3 o'clock in the morning. Put into my GPS at where I want to go to, and strangely enough, it wants to take me to Red Deer, Alberta. I have no idea why. It's 3,500 kilometers. Just hoping that you might be able to shed some light on that. Anyway, have a great day. Hope to see you soon. Take care, bud.
Good morning, everybody. Saturday here in the Buffalo Airways Yellowknife hangar. It's a great day. As you can see, there's a Boeing 737-200 in the hangar today. That means all our airplanes are gone, so the hangar is a lot of times rented to Canadian North. They're probably just doing some routine maintenance or just keeping it out of the sun for a bit. But yeah, it's going good. There's some private jets over there too, which is very strange, but something must be going on. But anyway, there's a lot going on behind the scenes, folks. I promised you the numbers episode. It is coming. Oh man, there's so many invoices and stuff coming in. Man, it is expensive. But my nephew Kenny's back in town, or back in the office. He's going to be running some numbers and getting everything go for me. So probably next week we'll have a good numbers episode, because the 156 days I'm going to be transparent to show you guys all the fun numbers and what's expensive, what wasn't expensive, and what's the grand total of debits versus credits. Whew. But I guess right now, there's not that many airplanes around. Let's go figure out what Stella's up to.
Is it because it's shallower? Eh?
No, because they're turnaround, eh?
Oh.
So hopefully, folks, you liked that short little video today. Not much going on today, but some lot of stuff coming soon. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. Enjoy your weekend. It was good. It was good to come in the office and make a video. I have a feeling I'll be making a lot more of them very soon. So everybody, enjoy your weekend. Be safe. Fly safe. We'll see you very, very soon. Bye.
Benjamin, what's going on? We've arrived at the secret location.
Show your plane, Bobby.
The secret location. The secret Tudor land location. Look at that baby. Look at that baby. Look at my baby. Anyway, we're not working on that right now. We're working on the secret project. DeWalt. Whoop. Don't want to see what that does. But we're going to set up right here, right there. We're going to move that car over there, and then we'll have this whole area to work on the secret project using daughter's car, engine broken. Daughter will fix daughter's engine. We're going to move all these parts up onto that scaffolding, take that bench, move it right there, right where this car is, right this space here, whoop, and then start working on Mikey's secret project. Okay, you want to say bye for now?
Bye for now.
Cheerios.